Good morning. If you're feeling anxious or tight in the morning, this morning yoga session will help you to feel better. We're going to work through a few asanas and the figure 4 chair pose to build up the heat. And then we will do a few twisting poses to release the tension and get you ready for the day. So when you're ready, lay down on the mat, stretch your body. So extend your arms out and keep your legs long. Breathe in. Give your body a good stretch here. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, taking in fresh new energy. And breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now bring the soles of your feet together. Keep your knees wide apart and place your hands on top of your knees or your thighs. Flap them like butterfly wings. You can use your hands to give a little gentle push. Keep moving your knees, opening those hips. Now bring the knees together and extend your left leg out. Bring the right knee up and hold it from the back of the thigh and extend your leg out, up into the sky and down. One more time. Up into the sky. Keep going. And it's okay if you can't extend your leg all the way up. It's perfectly normal. This could be because your hamstrings are too short or just too early in the morning. Switch legs. So right leg out, left knee up, hold it from the back of the thigh and extend slowly up. 1, 2. If you have a little shake like mine does, that's okay. 3, 4, and 5. Bring both knees in together towards your chest. Hold them tight and roll from side to side, massaging your lower back. Back and forth. You can lift up your head a little bit to give you that momentum. Keep moving back and forth and give yourself a big rock to the front of the mat and slowly come up vertebrae by vertebrae, like so. And now we're going to move through Surya Namaskar to build up the heat. So standing at the front of your mat with your feet together, inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, raise your head up. Exhale, step back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, opening the chin. Exhale, downward facing dog, chin to the chest. You can pedal your feet here, stretching the hamstrings. Now inhale and step forward with your right foot and come to the front of your mat. Half fold. Exhale, bend foot forward. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale up, exhale, bend full forward. Inhale, halfway up, exhale into chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Under your feet here. Step forward with your left foot this time into half fold and bend pull forward. From here, inhale into chair pose. Sit low with your knees bent. I know this is a little bit difficult, but we're doing exactly to build the heat now. Couple more breaths, and we will release the tension after. Now bring the hands to the heart center. Inhale and exhale, revolve to the right, placing the tricep on the thigh. Come back to the center, inhale, and revolve to the other side. Exhale. Release and come back into half fold. And exhale. Full fold. You can bind your arms together and let yourself hang or swing here. Just relax your upper body and let it loose. You can bounce up and down or sway side to side. Now place your hands at the front of your mat and step back into downward facing dog. Now raise your right leg up into the sky and bend the knee and bring it forward to pigeon pose. Keep your body upright, and then slowly lower your chest, placing your forehead on the mat or your hands. Come up slowly. Now go back to downward facing dog. This time left leg up, bend and bring it forward. And bend all the way by lowering your chest. Head on the mat. Giving a nice stretch to your glutes and into your hips. Come up slowly. Now we're going to cool down. Bring your feet around and lay down on the mat. So left leg extend out, right knee in, and let it drop to the left hand side, and put your arm out to the right and look to the right. nice twist to release all the tension. Come back to the center. Right leg out, left knee in, and drop it to the side. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Back to the center. Now bring both your knees together. Hug them tight. And release. Thank you. That concludes this morning session. I hope you feel much better now. Carry this energy throughout your day, and I hope you feel better mentally because you started the day by completing a yoga session, giving all the attention and the energy for yourself. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.